back to the Backyard Railroader. Today I'm going to talk about my old transformers that I have here. The US Train walk around, and I also have this older one here, the US Train. Both were really good transformers. They fried out on me, and I ended up having to get a new one, and that's what this one is. New transformer. I actually got the walk around again. Got a brand new one because I like this one a lot. It lasted me a long time, so I figured what the heck, I'll get a new one. And I do eventually want to upgrade to a battery system, but that's out of my price range. This isn't. So let's open her up. See what's in this box. Now, I originally bought my transformers from Winona. Guy out there, John, very nice gentleman. So when I had problems, I took my transformers back to him. He's also a he does work on US trains, and apparently he's licensed or something like that for working on US trains. Does really good work. So I bought another one from him. I had him look at those. He couldn't figure out what was going on. Very nice packaging. He couldn't figure out what was going on with them, so I decided that I would just buy a whole new one. Oh, it's heavy. And here's the new one. Exactly the same box, by the looks of it. Doesn't look like they've changed the boxes in the last 10 years. Yeah. Let's take a closer look, see what's inside this. Okay, so we'll slide that over there. We'll slide that one over there. And we'll open the new one. Just turn this around so. Inside the new one, get the manual. Protective cardboard. More protective cardboard. Styrofoam. A little piece of Velcro, probably for the controller. Which is right here. Nice controller. Put that right there. And you get the cable. And then up comes the power supply. There it is. Power supply has on the one end, it has a plug for the cable to be plugged into, and it has a dial here to change for your voltage for your G scale, HO scale, N scale. On the back side of this, you have a circuit breaker. You have your connections for your train plugs, for your rails, and then you have the on and off switch. And all you do is you plug this is a telephone cable, you plug the telephone cable in, and then you plug your controller into that, and then you use the dial on the controller to use your train. You have a speed control, you have an apply brakes, directional, a momentum on and off, and then this here is how much momentum you give your train, this dial. Very nice little unit. And this thing is 10 amps, quite capable of running my train set, which is kind of big on the long side, and I have no problems with it. So hopefully this one will last another 10-15 years, and we'll be good to go. So I guess the only thing left to do is see if this thing works. It's a little bad outside, snow, ice, wind, so I think I'm gonna have to do this inside. So let's set her up. So there we go, the new transformer is working beautiful. You got the controller, everything's working good, and you got the train running good. Very happy. So I got a couple of old trophies to put away, put the old box away. I'm going to leave this transformer in the house for the rest of the winter because my track outside's in pretty bad shape. A lot of ice, a lot of shifting, but everything's good. So, remember everybody, talk about trains. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.